these ballerina shoes. This is actually a black ballerina shoes because most at times I will put on heels when I go to work, right? And sometimes staying on those heels for the whole day. It's not easy, so I decided to buy these low flat shoes so that when leaving the house I can be able to put on the flat shoes, and once I get to work I put on my high shoes, and that's how I'll be doing. And when coming back, same thing, just need to change. Okay, so that's why I bought this, and I bought black, and it is perfect. Like, it is very, very good. This is Vaseline. Actually, my sister has moved some, but it was a pack of 6. I just got it because sometimes I can be having some dry lips and I just need to apply something. So in my bag I always have Vaseline. If you check all of my bags, you'll find Vaseline inside this one. So I have it. This is for the lip, it's a lip balm. So I got that pack. And the last item, is it the last item even? Yeah, baby, go and sit and eat, please. I'm doing video, okay? Go and sit down. Sit and finish eating. I got these shoes. These shoes, it says blue. Is this blue? Please. And please don't look at this butterfly because I'm going to take that off. I bought something else that is going to be, I'll replace it here. So this butterfly is not, it's giving me vibe. Yeah, so when I buy these shoes, they said blue. Is this blue? What color is this? I think it's giving me green. It's not actually blue. So, and I was buying this because I wanted to pair it with that blue jean, with the blue white leg print. So it's a jean, actually. So I wanted to pair it with that jean, but now it's giving me this. Although it's not that bad, I can still be able to pair them. But yeah, this is what I got. And these shoes was quite expensive, but it's not worth it for me. It's not worth it at all. It's not just giving me, I don't know, it's not worth it though. For the price that I got, it's not worth it. And I'm going to take off this butterfly. I'm going to take them off because I bought another pin that I'm going to replace it with, so that it gives me more matured, classy vibe. Because with this butterfly, just giving you childish, and that's not me. And okay, the last thing here before we open the jewelries, I bought this bird. This is actually a big bird, so that I can be able to style my different outfits with them, because there are some outfits that I have that requires this bird. Because you know, birds, I don't know, do I need to emphasize on birds? Birds have a way they bring out the beauty in an outfit. So I needed a big bird, and I got it in black, neutral color again, although I thought I got it in brown. But I don't know what happened. Maybe I just bought black, and I haven't even confirmed it though. So I bought it in black, and I have some outfits that I'll be styling them with. Yeah, so it's about like this, and it's good, it's class, it's nice. I love it. Okay, so those are the things I got. And like I said, I always know what I want to buy. Okay, so there is no way I can buy an outfit and it's not what I expected though. So once I'm buying, I know in my heart, in my mind of mine, I know that this outfit is going to come out nice, or this outfit is going to come out anyway, anyhow. So that part I know that. And now let's go to the jewelries. I bought jewelries. My god, I bought a whole lot of jewelry, and I'm like, what did happen? You buy a jewelry and say, what do we do them? What is the blue? So here, a whole lot of jewelries are inside this bag. So I'm just going to take them off, and I'll be showing you one by one though. So let me just take off these things. Okay, so the first, I bought an eyeglass, just because I don't have an eyeglass, so I decided to buy one. And more to that, before I wasn't buying eyeglass, because if you know me, I'm not a shade kind of a person, because I haven't found one that fits me. So now I was just buying because I bought different types of eyeglasses, right? So that I'll be able to choose which one fits me. And I think this fit me better. Let me see. So this is how this looks like. Okay, and it's giving classy vibes, which that is what I wanted. Okay, so this is nice. I think I like this. And I also bought this other one. Oh, is that my earring? I bought this other one. This one, I was expecting this to fit me because it's not just a regular eyeglass, like the shape. I'm talking about the shape. But so this is how it looks like. It is giving me what I don't know, but I'm still going to wear it anyways. If it likes, it fits. If it doesn't like, don't fit. It's none of my business. Okay, so now, anyways, before this, I got this chain just because I have some outfits that, like this one, like this outfit that I'm putting on. So obviously it needs a chain, and a chain like this will go perfectly well with it. Although, but it goes perfectly well, right? I hope I'm wearing it very well. I'm wearing it correctly, right? So this is how the necklace look like, and it's simple. I'm going for simple things because I realize that simple things have the way it beautifies you. Like you stand out, although you're wearing everything simple, but there is still a way you still stand out. So most of the items that I got are very simple items that I got. So yeah, this is it. And let's move to the next one. The next one is this. These are rings. Falling. It's 17. I'm going to put a picture somewhere. It's 17, and I took gold. Hey, what did happen? And I took gold. So this is it. You just put them differently, and do I like it? I love it because I want to include rings in whatever thing I do, because ring also gives you some elegant accessories. Actually, accessories have a way they beautify you. So aside from my wedding ring, I'm going to be adding this on most of my outfits now. So okay, please don't fall now. What happened? Okay, so I got this, and inside this pack is 17, so 17 of them. The next one, I got these earrings. I love the earrings. I so love it. Hey, there you go. Don't fall. So this is it. Classy, elegant, and that's what I wanted anyways. So I got these earrings. Now let's move. Okay, this earring. Okay, this is another one. Okay, this is one that I'm wearing. So I bought two of them, this in gold and this in silver. So the first time I saw this earring was on Pinterest. I saw a lady having this earring and it was so cute. So I decided to order them. I ordered this and this one. I ordered the two of them. That, anyways, I'll be able to style them anyhow. Immediately I ordered these earrings. I went to TikTok. Almost everybody had this earring, and I don't like it. I don't like it not because it's not nice, but because almost everybody's having this, and it's just giving me. And mind you, I bought two. I bought the gold and I bought the silver that I'm wearing. So, anyways, let's keep it here. Now the next one is these earrings. Most of the jewelry that I bought silver. I don't know why. Maybe because I bought a lot of black dresses, a lot of neutral colors dresses, and black was the most. So that's why I decided to go with a gold. Gold goes perfectly well with black. just wear a simple black dress and just accessorize it with gold. You see wonders. It's just going to change everything within the twinkle of an eye. So most of the jewelry that I got gold. So I got this, and I love this. It's giving quality vibes, although it's not expensive that like that. And I got this just because I wanted another color for earrings. I got this to pair them with other dresses, actually with other outfits that I'm going to be wearing. So I got this one, and the next one is this one. This is cute, very, very cute. I love it. Simple. This one is very simple but cute and giving what it's supposed to give. So the next one is this. I don't even know why I bought this. It's not giving me the vibe that I want, but it's just there. But it's nice though. I'm still going to and I bought this one. This is so cute. I love this. This is one of my favorite. This earring, so nice. And I brought this watch just because I don't have a leather watch, so I decided to buy this one. Let me take it off. So this is how it looks like. Very small, and this is what I wanted. Small. I don't like big things on my hand. I don't like anything that's just going to add weight on my hand particularly. So it's very simple, very small. Like the leather is really small, and that is what I wanted. So I got this, and I got this I also got this bracelet. Let me wear it. It's a bit big on my hand. My hand is small anyways. I'm tiny. I'm not that fat, but this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. And I think it's nice, although on my hand is big because see. You see. So yeah, I'm sure I'm done. Those are the things that I got. Overall, am I satisfied? Of course, yes, I am. So these are the jewelries, and am I satisfied? I love them. I love all of the jewelries that I got. I love them so much. So yeah, that is it. Let me take thumbnail. All right, so that is it. Okay, so guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have I even showed you my outfit? I'm coming back from church, and this is my outfit, looking like a sexy mama of one. So I'm still looking cute, still nice, and yeah. Yeah, so guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have different styles on how I can be able to style this outfit, you can still drop it in the comment section, and I'll be happy. I'll be so happy to try all of these styles. Or anyways, I'm going to do another video on how I style these outfits differently. I don't know when I'm going to do that video, but obviously I'm going to do the video. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, do not forget to like, comment, and share, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.